In this video, we'll see the recipe of delicious crunchy paneer burger.
Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. And if you would like to see our recipes in Hindi, do check out our channel The Terrace Kitchen Hindi on YouTube. Let's take a look at the recipe.
In a bowl, take 1/4 cup cornflour or cornstarch, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour or maida, some salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, and give everything a good mix. Now add a little water at a time and make paste. The consistency of the paste should be like this, not very thick and not very thin or runny. So keep that aside, and this is 150 gram cottage cheese or paneer pieces. I'm going to pat dry these with a cotton cloth. This will help absorb any extra moisture. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons grated mozzarella cheese and add chili flakes. Keep that aside. Now here I have half cup corn flakes, and I'm going to crush these with my hands. If you want, you can use your mixer grinder as well. We want a coarse powder like this. Now cut the paneer piece like this so that you get a pocket. So I'm just going to cut 2 sides and stuff the mozzarella cheese inside it. Press it and seal the sides of paneer. Repeat the process with the other piece as well. So our paneer pieces are ready. Dip the paneer in the prepared batter and then place this paneer in the cornflakes. And make sure you coat the paneer piece completely with the cornflakes. Now repeat this step with the other paneer piece as well. So these are ready. Before frying, I'm going to refrigerate these for 15 to 20 minutes. And after that, heat some oil on medium flame and fry the paneer pieces initially for 2 minutes on medium flame and then at high flame, till these become golden brown in color like this. So you would notice that the paneer, after it's fried, it will become very crispy on the outside. And the surprise is still inside, which you'll get to see when I'll cut open the burger or when I'll eat it. In a separate bowl, take some plain mayonnaise, 4 tablespoons, and add 2 tablespoons ketchup, and this is our burger sauce. Heat some butter, around 1 teaspoon, on a tawa and place 2 sets of burger buns. Don't toast these buns a lot, just till these become a little warm. That's it. And now apply the burger sauce which we had prepared. Place the paneer, cheese slices, lettuce leaves. If you do not have this, you can skip. Sliced onions. I have soaked the onions in vinegar for 15 minutes. It just increases its taste. Some more mayo and place the burger bun, the top one. And our burgers are ready. Yum yum! I'll just take a bite and show you the cheese oozing out of the paneer. Look at it, the stringy mozzarella cheese which we had stuffed inside the paneer. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!